Welcome back. There has been an intolerance charge that has now been levelled against the Congress party, and this is coming in from the BJP against the Karnataka Sarkara, where they have been claiming that students have been expelled just for wearing the Ayyappa Mala. The Ayyappa Mala wearer students are expelled. This is the charge being levelled on part of the BJP, which they have called this move as condemnable and has now condemned the state government's anti-Hindu policy. Let's connect with Neha on this. Neha, the Congress's double standard is something that is now being called out. Can you tell us exactly what this controversy is all about? Neha?
Well, that's right. We're seeing that in Chikmagaluru, in fact, a few students there of the MES college were initially stopped from entering the college as they had the Ayyappa Mala, or in fact, the Sabrimala temple's Mala on. Following this, we saw heated exchange of words now between a few Hindu activists, of course, who found out about this particular incident there, who raked up questions with the college principal as well, raising, questions about why, these particular students were being stopped, that it was merely an ornament that they had actually worn, a religious ornament they had worn over and above their uniform. After that heated exchange of words there between, of course, these activists and the college authorities, later the students were reportedly allowed to, of course, enter the college premises. Remember, of course, the BJP now has taken a very sharp attack here at the government against this entire incident. They're saying that the government has always been anti-Hindus, the Congress government in the state, and this is yet another display and yet another example of that.
All right. Well, as far as the charge that has been levelled on part of the BJP saying that certain students were expelled just because they were wearing the Ayyappa Mala in the name of uniformity, and they have been calling this move as condemnable and saying that the Congress government's anti-Hindu policy is the reason for this. But Neha, what are we learning? Is this something that the students were actually expelled or later were allowed to attend the classes?
Well, that's right. After that massive confrontation there by the right-wing activists in Chikmagaluru district, right after they barged into the college premises there, held a very heated exchange of words that we're seeing in the videos between the college authorities along with some BJP leaders and right-wing activists. After that is when they've been allowed. Remember, of course, this reminds one of the entire hijab controversy that had broken out in the state of Karnataka about 2 years ago. And more importantly, of course, with this now being said, it really remains to be seen. While, of course, a few colleges there, according to the CET rules, do not allow wearing of, anything.
So calling out on Congress's double standards as far as the right-wing organizations in the BJP has been taking on the Karnataka Sarkara. Thank you very much, Neha, for joining in with those details. Let's move on now and talk about